Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Certified Digital Tax Accountant Vedant Khalid, and in this video lesson I'm going to teach you about Schedule 1A. This is a new schedule. Definitely you need to calculate the amount here, you know, of 13B. In order to calculate 13B, you need to calculate till 11B. For example, your adjusted gross income is 60,000. Understand? Your adjusted gross income is 60,000, and you have then it is merit filing jointly, so you have 31,500, and now you need to calculate 13B, right? So for 13B, this is for this tax year. Understand, from this tax year it starts Schedule 1A. Understand? So in order to, we have to fill the Schedule A, which is additional deductions. Understand? So as you can see, line 11B, 1040 line 11B, we have 60,000. We read 60,000 here, then add line 2A to B1. 2D, we add line 2A to B, add lines 1A and 2E, which is add lines 1 and 2E, which is nothing, and then 60,000, same, right? This is our Maggie and AGI is same. Got it? So for part 2, no tax on tips. Understand, ladies and gentlemen, no tax on tips. So the, you can say, for example, the tips for the year, whole year is 2,000. You write 2,000 here. Understand? And then qualified tip received in the course of trade or business, nothing. Add line 4, C and 5, which is again 2,000. Enter the smaller of the amount on line 6 or 25,000. Means up to 25, up till 25,000 you can deduct. Understand? If your tips are 26,000 or 30,000, 27,000, you cannot deduct up till 25,000. Means more than 25,000 you can. And your AGI should be 1,50,000 for other status filing status and 3 lakh for merit filing jointly. Understand? So your AGI should be less than this. Understand? Should AGIs are less than should be this. If you are single or any other filing status, 1,50,000, and if merit filing jointly. So this is the case of merit filing jointly, so we take $3 lakh. Subtract line 10, 0 or less. Subtract line 9 from line 8, line 9 from line 8, because line 8 is smaller. So we have to say, if 0 or less, enter the amount from line 7. Line 7 amount is 2,000. On line 13. So line 13 which is the total of this qualified tips. Now we have got part 3 of this Schedule 1A, which is no tax on overtime. Understand? So the whole overtime is how to calculate the overtime for this year. Means your total W2 income is, even if you are receiving overtime, so total overtime income multiply by 3, 1 divided by 3. Understand? The third, you will get 5,000, whatever you will get the amount for the year. So for the year, the overtime is 5,000. Add lines 14A, 14B, 5,000. Enter the smaller of the amount on line 14C or 12. 5,000 is the smaller. Okay. Again, up till 25,000 you can deduct, not more than that. Enter the amount from line 3. Line 3 amount is 60,000. We have already written. Enter 1,50,000 if you are single or any other filing status other than merit filing jointly. If merit filing jointly, write this 3 lakh. Now divide line, subtract line 17 from line 16. If 0 or less, enter the amount from line 15 or line 21. 5,000. Understand, ladies and gentlemen? This is your total no tax on overtime. Now let's check, ladies and gentlemen, this part 4. No tax on car loan interest. So you can, you had to be produced in the America. Okay, so vehicle identification number, VIN number, is this. You have got two cars, so 15,000 and 15,000 for second car. Understand? Schedule 1A. Okay, interest for this loan is 15,000 and 15,000. At lines 20 you gave interest for car A, and for car B you gave interest 15,000. The total interest you gave for the year 30,000. Understand? Enter the smaller of the amount on line 23 or 10,000. So we said take 10,000. Means up till 10,000 we can take the deductions. Whether it's 2 cars or 3 cars or 1 car, doesn't matter. You can take up till 10,000. Understand? Not more than that. So our 10,000 we have to take. Otherwise, because our total expense was 30,000 for the year, but we can take only 10,000. Okay, this is the threshold. Then enter the amount from line 3. Enter 1 lakh or 2 lakh if married filing jointly. So this is married filing jointly. That's why I take $2 lakh. Now subtract line 26 from 25. If 0 or less, enter the amount from line 24 or line 30. On line 30, I write this. Understand, ladies and gentlemen? So part 5 is not applicable here because the tax filer is less than 65 years. Understand? So it's not a senior person. This deduction is only for the senior person. Understand? 65 or above. 6,000 you can take. Understand? So no deduction for this part. So total deduction, if we add lines 13, 21, 30, 37, so we have got total 17,000. Understand? This 17,000 we can deduct here. Understand? So we can write here 17,000. So 60,000, 31,500, and we have deduction of 17,000. Understand, ladies and gentlemen? So subtract at lines 12E and 13A and 13B. So what we can do, 31,500 and 17,000. 31,500 and 17,000. 48,500 I can deduct. Understand? 48,500. So subtract line 14 from line 11B. So I can deduct 48,500. 31,500 standard deduction because of the merit filing jointly status, and 17,000 additional deductions from schedule 1A. Understand, ladies and gentlemen? So 48,500 is total deductions. So I hope you understood, ladies and gentlemen, that how you can fill up the schedule 1A, which is the new schedule this year, and till 2030 you can it is up till 2030 tax year, 29 or 2030 tax year. It's not confirmed. It's confirmed, but I'm not confirmed yet. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you understood this lesson. Until then, take a very, very good care of yourself. I'll meet you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz, take care.